I spent a lot of years working around asphalt milling crews. If you've never seen that kind of work, it's organized chaos. You got the milling machine chewing up the road, conveyors throwing asphalt into trucks, and a whole line of dump trucks waiting their turn. Everyone's moving all the time. And when you work those crews long enough, you see some things that make you laugh years later. One job we were doing was city streets in Springfield, Missouri. We had a whole lineup of trucks hauling milled asphalt away. Now normally when the crew moves to the other end of the street, all the trucks turn around and line up again. But that day I was already pointed the direction we needed to go. So I figured there was no point in turning around twice. One of the crew guys climbed up on my fuel tank and asked if he could ride along to the other end of the street. I told him, "You might want to hold on." He laughed like I was joking. So I eased the truck backward a little. Then I looked over at him and said, "No, seriously, hold on." Then I did something he didn't expect. I hit the button high-side of the transmission and dropped that truck into high reverse. Next thing you know, we were flying backwards down that street, probably close to 40 miles an hour in reverse. That guy's eyes got big in a hurry. He realized real quick that I wasn't kidding about holding on. Didn't take long to get to the other end of the street, though. And funny thing is, he never asked me for another ride after that. But the best thing that happened on that same job involved another driver. We were hauling loads away from the milling machine like normal. The machine fills the truck, the driver pulls out, dumps the load somewhere, then comes back. Pretty simple system. Well, one of the drivers that day got turned around somehow. Nobody realized it right away. He pulled up, got loaded, and drove off. Came back a little later, pulled up again, got loaded again with a bit more, drove off again. Now normally someone would notice something like that pretty quickly. But milling crews are busy, everyone's watching their own part of the job. Turns out that driver had somehow managed to haul the exact same load 4 different times, back and forth, same material, same pile, 4 trips before anyone figured out what was going on. Once someone finally realized it, the whole crew started laughing. That's the kind of thing that happens on milling jobs sometimes. Long hours, lots of moving parts, and a bunch of tired truck drivers trying to keep up with a machine that never stops moving. But I'll tell you one thing. After a while on those crews, you learn pretty quickly. It was never a boring day around asphalt work.